Hi everyone and welcome back to NSE IFSU Receipts Knowledge Series Video 3. I'm Vidya Pillai from Anand Rathi International Ventures. In our last video, we had discussed about how you can invest in top 50 US stocks and the benefits of investing globally. We also discussed how you can open your trading and demat account digitally with our DigiNext platform. This is the final video in the NSE IFSU Receipt series, and I know you may still have a few questions, but don't worry. I'm here to answer them all. Today, I'll answer most commonly asked FAQs. You'll see each question appear on screen. So let's begin. In simple words, NSE IFSU Receipt is a product by NSE IX Exchange, which is regulated by IFSCA in GIFT City. This product allows investors to invest in fractions in top 50 US stocks in the form of UDRs, that is unsponsored depository receipts. So now once your trading and demat account is opened with IFSCA regulated broker, you can access Nvidia, Netflix, Meta, Apple and many more. It lets resident Indians via LRS limit up to USD 250,000 per year to trade in global blue chips on NSE IX through GIFT City, all without needing an overseas brokerage account. With Anand Rathi International Ventures, you have two options. 1. New clients use our digital KYC onboarding platform, that is DigiNext. 2. Existing ARSSBL clients, account opened on or after January 1, 2022, can use the consent-based journey, so no additional documents are required. Simply visit digi-ekyc.anandrathigiftscity.com, upload your Aadhaar, PAN, bank proof, signature scan, W8PN form and complete a quick selfie verification. Review and submit. That's it. If you're already a client, click the consent-based link. Verify your PAN, Aadhaar and signature online. Grant consent and you're done. No extra uploads. If any details have changed, you will need to reapply via DigiNext. Yes, there are two ways to invest. You can invest digitally by logging into the AR Trade app and place a buy or sell order. If you prefer to speak to someone, you can call our GIFT City dealing desk from your registered number and will place the trade for you. There's no minimum investment amount, but remittance under LRS is capped at USD 250,000 per financial year. After account opening is completed, transfer funds digitally from your normal savings bank account to the ARIVPL bank account. Fund transfers to GIFT City are done under the Liberalized Remittance Scheme, which is LRS, from your Indian savings bank account. Some banks may require you to visit a branch and fill Form A2. For ICICI Bank users, there's dedicated link for seamless online transfers. Always check with your bank for their specific LRS documentation and process. Always use S0001 for remittances to invest in NSE IFSC receipts. Transfer USD to our ARIVPL bank account. Details are in your welcome kit and email us the SWIFT copy. We'll confirm your trading limit and notify you. It certifies your status as an Indian resident for US tax purposes, helping you claim treaty benefits and reduce withholding on dividends. Log in, tap the plus to add US stocks to your watch list, Then tap Buy or Sell, enter quantity and price and confirm. Track your order status under the Orders tab. Certainly. Call our GIFT City dealing desk at +91 7961340201 or 0202 from your registered number, and our team will execute your order. We operate on US market hours 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. EST, which is 7 p.m. to 1:30 a.m. IST. Settlement follows a T+3 cycle. Your trade completes 3 working days after execution. You can trade intraday within your funded limit and LRS cap. Short selling is not permitted for retail investors. There's no cap, but remittance under LRS is capped at USD 250,000 per financial year. They are held in dematerialized form in your Demat account opened in GIFT City. All investors in NSE IFSC receipts would be eligible for corporate actions involving payment of dividends and distribution of bonus, split, other voluntary corporate actions such as rights issues, voting, and so on would not be passed to the investors. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you've made this far, you're already ahead of the curve in tapping into global markets through GIFT City. Don't miss out. Follow our LinkedIn page for the latest NSE IFSC fortnightly and US stocks reports. All our other videos are available on YouTube, so like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Stay connected for regular updates. For onboarding support, feel free to reach out and follow for the latest news and updates.